so back. It's February 2nd today, so I feel like this is just perfect timing for this video. I decided that this year I actually wanted to host a Galentine's Day at my house. I thought that this little Galentine's Day would be really cute to just bring all my different friends all together just so that I can see them all. There's 13 girls coming over and I just want to make it super cute. My mom is like so into decorating and stuff. Like obviously she is a business woman, but in another life she was definitely like this party planner. Just has a natural talent for that kind of stuff. So I'm hosting it the Thursday before Valentine's Day. There's a bunch of different videos that I looked at on TikTok and I was like trying to see for inspo. One thing that I really want to set up is like the tables. I want to get like balloons. I think we're gonna go. So my mom is coming back to pick me up today and we're gonna go searching together. It's gonna be like a full vlog of everything, of the preparation and of us actually hanging out. So we're starting February 2nd, but you'll also see us February 13th. Yeah, so I hope you guys love. I miss you guys and enjoy. So this is the fit of the day to go run all those errands to try to buy decorations. There's literally so many decorations. So we're trying to figure out like the color scheme that we want. These are the candles. They're like little hearts on them. 13.
I think it's pretty cool, actually.
I'm not putting that.
Why not?
Single and awesome. Also, not all the girls are single, but this is just no, Mom. I can't choose.
I think this one's better.
Okay, but that's what I told you the first time. Like, we just came back from the mall, but we also went to Dollarama, so these are kind of things that we bought. We got some of these.
Not bad, I think it's,
yeah, they're okay. These are like the Dollarama things, so they were more like mid. Then we also have these, which are like sour straws. These are good, these are yummy. And also have these.
Of course, those are the watermelon, but again, pink.
Yeah,
you know?
really, really cute. My mom had like a vision for these lights.
They're little roses. I think that it could be interesting.
She also like saw these. She thought these were like really classy too.
Yeah, I think it's really cute.
Yeah, got a couple of these. I don't need to bring them all up, but like they're like these little candles. These are like those cinnamon candies. And then I got these for myself. We just went to Winners as well. We got like this tablecloth thing. So this is what we got. Long and like we're gonna set everything up on there. And then we also got like skinnier, taller lights. I spent so long trying to choose between which pink color that we wanted and things like that. I was starting to get annoyed. Is also like these red ones. We have like 2 of these pink ones because like whatever, but like there was one where it was like, I swear to God, one like little difference between this pink and another pink, and I was watching her look at the 2 candles like this and like compare it and I was like, oh my god, this is not my alley. I feel like we're killing it so far, so I'm excited. I'm happy. Today is the day of, and I'm honestly so excited, but there's been such craziness, honestly, just getting everything together. Everything was going to plan. Everyone that I had invited was coming. And all of a sudden yesterday, there's like literally a warning of there being 30 centimeters of snow. This is crazy weather. One day out of the entire winter, we're basically gonna have this, especially now because I feel like global warming, to be honest. I didn't have school today or anything like that either, so the whole thing was that a lot of my friends are driving and obviously their parents are not comfortable with them driving in a snowstorm. Like duh, like I totally get it. And so I was like, oh my god, no one's gonna show up. I invited 13 girls, so like it's not like this huge rager party, like it's literally a Galentine's, but like I love all these girls and I really wanted all of them there. And let me tell you, even if they couldn't come, the effort that I saw today of like literally trying to find ways to get to my house, it was so crazy. Yeah, I don't know, I just thought it was so like nice. Guys, okay, so I still need to do my lip liner, but I love this dress with my whole soul. A moment for the dress and then a moment for the back of the dress. I am so excited to see everyone. Genuinely, I'm gonna show you a little house tour of what's ready. Also, these are my shoes. I'm gonna put on, oh, I have to put on earrings and all my jewelry. These are the shoes. They're my literal to die for shoes that I got when I was in Milan. Girl, I feel like me saying that is like, oh my god, so bougie, and I kind of love it. I think I'm just gonna do these hoops just because I love them. I'm gonna do a little house tour for you guys and show you all the little rooms that we decorated now that we're kind of all done. This is the entrance. We have these little balloons here, but like we set them up like a bunch of different parts of our house. You'll see in a second. We walk in, we have these balloons again. We set up our 3 little chairs there, our couch, and obviously a bunch of our stuff. But like this is our little decor just for this room. And then into our kitchen, so we have a bunch of like pink candies. This is more of like a pink and white vibe. So we have a bunch of these that you saw us buy. We have like cookies. These are for drinks. This is kind of what I had in my head. And then here's our themed room. We have an Egyptian room if you didn't already know, but this is our dining room. So we wanted to make it still like really cute. My mom and I, we decided that it was gonna be like more of a red white type of vibe instead of pink. And here we have like another bar area. We're actually ordering sushi as like one of the appetizers. We also bought a bunch of these other little appetizers. I have these glasses that I got as a gift and I thought that these were like perfect just like as water glasses, but I'm kind of so obsessed.
And with the shoes off. And with the shoes off. Welcome back. So, welcome back to where? My YouTube channel. I'm sorry, what? Cheers! My boyfriend right here. Yay! C'est la cannelle. It's Valentine tomorrow. I'm currently married to myself. Love and happiness.
So I'm Clem, and my wish for this Valentine is to, I don't know, I just want to find someone who's going to treat me well, guys.
Hey guys, I think Clem was saying who she thinks is going to be the judge. It's going to be Clem. And I heard that we're giving love, so.
I hope everyone's having a great Valentine's Day. You can literally stop listening to me, you freak. And cheers to galentines! Hi guys, my name's Laura, and I just want to give an appreciation post to the most amazing girls I've ever met in my entire life. Honestly, my life changed when I met these girls, and I'm so grateful that I could hear with them tonight and to meet new girls. Everyone's amazing, everyone's beautiful. I love all of you guys. We've been best friends since I got to Montreal. I love it!
Angie's now munching on her pasta.
I love